Hello and welcome to this video section. I'm going to be showing you around the Stockclip video, the Stockclip platform. Alright, the Stockclip platform gives you access to over 100 million royal-free stock assets, and then it allows you to edit videos and pictures that suit your business for your social media accounts, and then the rest of your platforms where you can use these pictures and videos to sell your products and get more customers. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how you can make the most of the Stockclip platform, and then by the end of this video I'm sure that you're going to be able to navigate the Stockclip platform. And then if there be any other questions that you might have after the end of this video, you can contact the support and then we'll be there to respond to any questions that you might have. Alright, so let's get started with this video right now. As you can see, I am on the login page. After you've signed up, you'll be able to log in. All you have to do is to put in your email address and your password and click on the login button, and then this takes you to the dashboard where you can see we have a couple of details here. At the top, the nav bar, we have the downloads, the upgrades, the training, and the support, and then the profile access button there. Alright, so basically what we can see on the most part of this particular dashboard is these images right here. Alright, so we have images that say Facebook, the Facebook video feed, Facebook story, Facebook in-stream video, Facebook Insta articles, and then this particular text that you see here indicates the particular fit of these particular videos. All right, so all the videos you see under this particular section are videos and pictures that are meant for Snapchat story. All right, so the shape and the structure of the Snapchat story is what we considered when creating this particular templates we have in here. All right, so the WhatsApp status, we considered that particular prototype when we wanted to create the particular options that we have inside here. So if you intend to make a video that you want to use on your WhatsApp status, we recommend that you come right here and do that. Okay, so the same applies. Something applies to all other sections that we have here. You check out the name that we have on the top left corner of that particular rectangle to know where that platform, where the templates in there fit into. All right, so I'm going to pick one of them and show you how you can edit it and make the most of it. All right, so I'm going to choose the one for Facebook video feed right here, the top one. Okay, I'm going to click that, and it brings you to another page. You can see it's loading up, and this is the main page right now. Okay, so there are a number of things that we have displayed on the screen right now. On the main section of the screen, we have the video. I'm going to zoom this out a little bit. Okay, we have the video playing right there, and then we have a tiny section here that contains a text and then a button, right? So everything you see on here is editable. Everything can be changed to suit your business or to look exactly the way you want it to. Okay, you can change the video, you can change the text right here, you can change the color of the section, you can change everything. So I'm going to show you how to do this, but before I do that, I want you to check out this particular side bar right here. The first one on the top there says design, and you can see that we have a couple of designs here that you can choose from. Okay, you scroll down, you keep seeing different designs. All these are videos. They have videos in there. Okay, you can choose any one you want. Second thing there is the videos option. All right, so let's say you want to change this video right here. All you have to do is to click on it. You click on the video, you can see it's draggable. It's drag and drop. You can drag it out. Okay, you can choose to delete it right here. You can choose to copy the picture by clicking on this button right here. Okay, you can choose to make it transparent by toggling this particular bar. Okay, you can choose to zoom into the video, zoom out, or you zoom in. All right, you can choose to send it to the front or send it to the back. Okay, and let's say I want to change this video right here. Okay, so I have to click on it, and I'm going to go click on the videos section right here, and I'm going to search. Okay, if you want to upload a content from your local memory, all you have to do is to click on this button right here that says library. You click on it and you click on upload. All right, so you wanna click on this button to upload from your PC. Okay, then you choose a video. All right, you choose any video of your choice, and then you click on open. Then the video is brought in here, and then you can click on it to select it and place it in here. Okay, but I'm going to choose from the provided videos that we have here. I'm going to search tech. Let's say I want to put a content about tech. Sorry, so I'm going to search tech right there. And I'm going to click on search. Yeah, as you can see, we have a lots and lots of videos that you can choose from. All right, so I'm going to choose this one right here. I'm going to click on the video. It says attention, you're about to add the video to canvas. Continue and place. Okay, so video is replaced. So I'm going to give it some time. Okay, as you can see, our video has been replaced. Okay, I'm going to reposition that to fit in. Yeah, so as you can see, that was easy. Okay, so I'm going to change the color of this particular section so you can see how that works. You click on it, then you can see we have a toggled up menu here. Click on the color to change it to any color of your choice. I'm going to choose red. Yeah, so I'm going to try to change the text right there so you can see how that works. I'm going to change the log there to free. Okay, I'm going to make that caps lock free. Okay, seeking free items to give away. Yeah, I see everything there is changeable. I'm going to change the text on the button. Okay, right? You can see how that works. I'm going to change the website name isaac.com. All right, so that is it. Everything is changeable as you can see. And then when you're done, you can click on this button to download it to your local machine. You can change the name of this particular content here to say practice anything you want. Okay, so I think something changed here. I'm gonna put this back down. Yeah, right there. Okay. Okay, so that is it. You can see everything is changeable, right? So let's say you want to add I'm going to refresh this right away. Okay, let's say you want to add a picture instead of the image. Okay, I'm going to click on the image right there. I'm going to click on the picture section right here, the images section right here. I'm going to, if you want to upload from your local machine, you can also do this. I'm going to just search something random. I'm going to search food, and as you can see, we have a number of fruits right there. I'm going to click on this one. Let's give it some time to load up. Yeah, so as you can see, the food image shows up right there. So I'm going to delete this one and then delete, then make this food main option right there. Just going to put it up in the way I want it to be. I'm going to send it to the back. Yeah, so as you can see, that is it. Easy, and it looks really nice. Okay, you can choose to change this color as well. Put any color you want. Maybe something to fit in with the picture. All right, so that is it. So let's say you want to add some more text on this particular image, right? You click on the text option right there, then you can select the font you want to make use of. I'm going to select this. I'm going to change the text to try this out. Yeah, so I'm going to drag that text and bring it somewhere. Let's put it up here. So you can do whatever you want to do with it. You can make some changes to it. You can increase the transparency. You can increase the line height. Increase the letter spacing. You can reduce it. You can increase the border width. Okay. You can change the color. Right here, you can change the color of the text right here. You can increase the font. You can reduce it as well if you want to. Okay. So that is it. Everything is changed. Everything is editable. So let's say you want to add some elements to make your image look nicer. You click on the element section. You can choose an image of your choice and then you can drag it to put it anywhere you want it to be. Okay. Right. You can choose because you have a lot, unlimited amount of images here. Just choose anyone you want to, and then you can make changes to it. All right. So as you can see, that is it. Easy. So you want to add filters. You click on the filter section. Then you can choose any of the available filters that we have here. Or you can see how that looks. It gives you this kind of blending, and then you can make changes to it. You can can increase the transparency. All right. So let's say you want to add the music, you want to add audio. You can choose from any of our audio library. you want to add some layers, you can do that as well. Okay, so this is how you can use this particular platform. Okay, so you can download this as an image, right? Or you can download it as a video if you put a video in here. So this is easy. And then you can see we have multiple amounts of detail and multiple amounts of resources that you can choose from. So this is how you can make the most of this platform. Okay, so if you have any further questions, don't forget that you can click on the support button and contact us, and we'll be on the side to respond to your questions. Thank you.